Once upon a time, a very long time ago, there were no humans on Earth. Instead, there were only animals like apes, monkeys, and other creatures. Over time, these animals changed and evolved into different forms. One group of apes evolved into humans, who looked a lot like us but were much different in many ways. They were not as smart as us, and they did not have the same abilities to make tools or use language like we do. They spent their days climbing trees, looking for food, and trying to avoid danger. Over time, these early humans continued to evolve and change. They became better at finding food, and they learned to make tools to help them hunt and gather. They also started to use fire to cook their food, which made it easier to eat and gave them more energy. As humans evolved, they also developed bigger brains and became more intelligent. This allowed them to think more creatively and come up with new ideas. They started to make clothing to protect themselves from the cold, and they built shelters to live in. Eventually, humans began to form communities and work together to survive. They learned to grow crops and raise animals for food, which made it possible for them to live in one place instead of constantly moving around. This made it easier for them to form families and have children. As humans continued to evolve, they developed language and started to communicate with each other in more complex ways. They also started to create art and music, and they began to explore the world around them. Today, humans are the most advanced and intelligent creatures on Earth. We have developed technology and built incredible things like cities and spacecraft. We continue to evolve and change, and we are always learning and growing. But, just like our early human ancestors, we still face challenges and dangers in the world. We must work together and use our intelligence and creativity to overcome these challenges and continue to thrive. So, that is the story of how humans evolved from apes into the intelligent and advanced creatures we are today. It took a very long time, but through hard work and determination, we have come a long way.